so right off the bat, I see giving me a little sneak peek in the tape there. So I have my first Imperfect box here. I am excited. I just weighed it. It weighed 34 pounds. It is quite heavy, so we will get to see what's in here. We're all kind of excited to see if they gave us anything goofy, aren't we? Oh my goodness, it literally is just all in here. This is interesting to me. Ooh. So here's a snapshot of me shopping. You can see I decided to add blood oranges to what they suggested, and I'm going to get into my cart. After, you can just see, you can scroll and find lots of different goodies in here, perishable, non-perishable jars. And I'm also going to come in, remove the sweet potatoes. I just wanted you guys to see a little bit of what it looks like when you're on the Imperfect Foods website. And I'm looking at my cart. You can see that I can shop right before it's delivered. Super easy. This is one Brussels sprout right here. Giant. It looks like a brain. A freeze pack. That's what was in the bottom there. I always call it carrots Barbie legs. These aren't quite Barbie sized, are they? I also got an orange pepper. It's a little soft. That's the only like quality issue I've seen, is having a soft spot, but I definitely can still use that for a stir fry, which is what I'll do with it. Here is the entire haul, and I'm gonna go over exact prices of everything and compare it to what I ordered right now. Okay, so now I'm comparing, I'm looking at my order to what I received, and I definitely got some items I didn't have on my order. So first off, avocados, I paid for $1.99 for a 3 count, and you can see I received 6 of them, so that's bonus. All right, so I'm gonna go in order here that's gonna kind of bounce around. I ordered, on my order, they sent me 3 pairs for $2.09. I received 3. I got 1 pound of organic red onions. That's right here. Those were $1.29 for both of those. I also only ordered 1 pound of apples. Well, I didn't pick it. They put it on there. And I received this 3-pound bag plus 4 extra apples. So that is bonus. That was $1.50 for those. I received these 3 yellow onions for 85 cents. I received this English cucumber for $1.49. These 2 shallots, which I've never had before, so I'm actually really excited to get these, $1.29. 2 navel oranges, those were $1.99. The Brussels sprouts were $2.50. Conventional bell peppers, 2 of them, those were $1.99. A bunch of kale, that was $1.50. Conventional 1 pound of carrots, those were 89 cents. 2 garlics, those were 99 cents. A 3 count of bell peppers was $2.29. So it's supposed to be a 3 count of bell green peppers for $2.29. I only received 2 of them. And then the other one was a 2-pack. So I'm missing a green pepper, it looks like. I was supposed to receive 2 pounds of creamer potatoes, 2 1-pound bags, and that's what these are. I have no idea what creamer potatoes are, but I'm kind of excited to explore them. They look like they'd be really good roasted. Those were $1.98 for both of them. It was $3.49 for the grain-free pretzels. I'll try them, give them a whirl. Probably not something we'd ever order again because we're not gluten-free. And it's kind of a premium for a bag, but I bet they'll be good. The unsweetened dried mango, that was $3.99. Again, these are the 2 things when I picked a $10, about $10 snack, they gave me these. I also did forget to mention, I took off sweet potatoes. That was the only thing that they put on my list that I took off just because I knew for sure we would never eat sweet potatoes. I added to the order, I decided to add blood oranges. It was $3.99 for a 2-pound bag. I feel like that's really on par with what the grocery store sells them for, and I just like blood oranges, so I kind of wanted to see what they'd send me. I ordered these purple potatoes for $2.65. I feel like that's a really good price for them. I don't know if I've ever bought purple potatoes, but I thought it would be fun to try, and we're potato lovers. And then I also added the fruit strings for $4.99. I just knew my kids would love those and it would be a fun addition. Plus the graphic is super cute and I'm a sucker for that kind of stuff. And I was receiving 20% off on my first order, so I knew everything that I added would be a discount to try it for the first time. And then the only thing that was totally a miss, because I looked for this, I received this pack of organic mushrooms. I did not order it, I just confirmed on my list. So I didn't add this and I still received it. Everything was $44.59. I received an $8.92 discount for using a code. You can see my son's trying to steal those fruit strings right now. He's excited. But then I had to pay $5 for delivery and everything was $40.66. I actually feel like this is a really good value. If I went to the grocery store and got all of this for $40, I think I'd be pleased. The only thing is I just don't know that I would get this much at the same time, but I don't fear that it's gonna go to waste. And I got bonus apples and I got bonus mushrooms. I was missing one pepper, so fairly accurate. Not 100%, but I'm definitely pleased and I feel like I got a really good value. If you are at all interested in trying Imperfect foods, below I have a code. I'm not at all affiliated, but I do have like a referral code where you receive $10 off your first order and I receive a referral bonus on my next order. So I definitely feel like for what I received for $40 delivered to my front door, and you can customize everything. Like I said, I took off sweet potatoes and I added some things that I wanted, like the blood oranges or the purple potatoes. Plus they have fun things like papaya. I wish I would have added a papaya. I've never ordered that and it's not something that's like 100% local that I would always find in the grocery store. I got things like shallots. I think it's a really good value. Okay, my kids can barely stand it anymore. They're crying, begging me, so we're gonna open this up and give it a whirl. Oh, it looks like beef jerky. This is weird.
Oh.
That's not what I expected. It smells really good. Elsie gets the first nib. Chow gets the second nib. Second's the best. I'll definitely order this again. Definitely not weekly. But if you're interested in trying it, go ahead and check out my link below. Thank you so much for watching. Chow down and chow. Okay, so I'm not even fully unpacked yet and we're already having part of our stuff in a smoothie and I cut up the cucumber for lunch. Super fresh. The quality is impressive.